Welcome to 9 on the Hudson. My name is Stephen Faraday. Today, I want to show you my favorite home at 9 on the Hudson. It is Penthouse number 9. Three bedrooms plus den, 3.5 bathrooms, over 2,500 square feet. It has views from every room. We have the best kitchens on the market. It is a chef's kitchen's delight. The best master suite in the entire building. You have a spacious third bedroom. The second bedroom is across on the other side of the home. It is also en suite. I want to thank you for joining us today at 9 on the Hudson and this incredible home, Penthouse number 9.